Myra Jimenez is being remembered by her friends and colleagues tonight as a teacher who was deeply committed to her students and who cared about everybody.
Jillian Smuckler is live with more on tonight's vigil and the latest on the murder charges against her husband. Jillian?
Sharon, Rick, yeah, it was a very emotional vigil. You can see there are a ton of flowers, candles, and balloons all lining the campus where she worked and taught students for years. Now, this massive display behind me is really a reflection of the love, but also the heartbreak from so many people in this community who say they lost a woman way too soon. Under the glow of candlelight, a school community mourning a profound loss.
She really touched my heart. She was a very, very good teacher. I will miss her a lot.
Myra Jimenez was a third-grade teacher at Wilshire Park Elementary School.
If she was here, I would be really happy.
She's remembered as a passionate educator, a union advocate, and someone who made every student feel seen.
No other teacher was able to help me more than her.
Even the youngest students struggled to understand a school without her.
Everybody likes her. I really feel sad for her. How am I gonna do anything without her? She really lived up to me, and I'll never forget her.
Parents say Jimenez didn't just teach their children, she stood up for them.
I never got to say thank you in person. Thank you for standing up for our teachers. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you.
She worked hard. She stayed late, always smiling, dedicated to the work.
Students, both past and present, shared stories and memories, honoring a woman whose impact reached far beyond the classroom.
Miss Mara was my favorite teacher. When things were getting hard, she always was there to help me. She helped most of her students, and she made sure they were seen.
She was just very different from the rest of the people here. She made my parents happy, she made me happy, and I'm gonna miss her a lot.
Colleagues tell us Myra Jimenez's legacy will live on through the students she inspired in the community she helped build.
Fly high, Miss Jimenez.
A lot of tears, as you can imagine, at that vigil tonight. Now, this comes as prosecutors release new details about the case surrounding her death. So her husband was officially charged with her murder today. And also a big development is that his attorney has officially dropped out of the case. So he's currently being held on a $2 million bond. And also, he is expected back in court in February. Back to you.
Jillian Smuckler reporting for us live tonight.